Welcome to Da Nang, and look at this. Torino Bakery, my favorite bakery here. I'm excited, I want to have something. I haven't been here for a long time, but this is how it looks. Xin chào. I think I'm gonna pistachio milk chocolate tart. My God, look at this. Can I have one pistachio milk chocolate tart?
Yeah, sure. Yes. Can you wait for me?
Yes. Look at this. And a brulee tart. Ooh. The apple tart also looks very good. Barry's New York cheesecake. Nice. There you got some bread. Sourdough bread. 70K. A baguette. Some croissants. I definitely gonna get that one. Oh, look at this. I'm already
with a chocolate.
Oh, that's so good. Oh. Okay guys, we made it. Very nice. We are in the Chao Tivin Te Street. My favorite street food street here on the beach side. And this here is also a very interesting place if you want to have an apartment. Check this one out. I think they are like $400 for one bedroom apartments. Very good location. And here is one of my favorite dishes, Bun Dao Mam Tom. Nice. You got FIFO March. And this here is also a very interesting dim sum place. Dim sum and noodles, bun baos, nice noodle dishes, Chinese dumplings. This is where they boil it up. Yeah. All right. Then here you have a barber shop. Oh, this is like a hairdresser. They all have blonde hair. Interesting. Then here Korean food. And the church is almost done because they renovated this church. Looks very nice now. It's a nice new color. But it's not done yet, I think. They're almost done. Almost. And here, if you go straight ahead, you know what? Let's go straight ahead. I want to show you something interesting. An interesting dish from the Mekong River, Mekong Delta, I think. Bun Mam. Not too mistaken with Bun Mam Nem, but Bun Mam. Yeah. Very interesting dish. I never saw another Bun Mam somewhere else here in Da Nang. Only there. But this one is also a very nice noodle dish. This is like a proper Da Nang noodle dish. Ban Kan. Nice. One of my favorite dishes. And here they also have Bun Dao Mam Tom. And here's the Bun Dao Mam Tom place. And this is one of my favorite Hutiu places here. Hutiu. And I think I always have this one with the pork. Yeah. Xaxio. But it's not open yet. It's usually over here. Pharma City. And next to Pharma City is a good sushi place as well. I got everything. Ogi Salmon. I tried that one. It was pretty good too. And now we have here Bun Mam, Lao Mam. So Bun Mam just means the noodle dish, and Lao is usually means hot pot. So they have usually the hot pot, the broth of that soup. Yeah, this is the dish. Hello. Very nice. So this place here has Bun Mam. They usually look a little bit grumpy, but they're very friendly people. The whole family who work there is very friendly when I visit them. And here we are just few blocks away from the beach, and this here is also the An Thuong area. So It is local life here in between all the tourists. Or at the end. This is An Thuong 14 here. So here, if you could look on the right, it's a very calm street. And they have a lot of apartment buildings here as well. And they're building a lot as well. Isn't that your bar where you always go to?
Yeah.
What is the name again? Last Hope Bar. It's a good little bar here between An Thuong 12 and An Thuong 10, I believe. So here is also interesting if you want to have to buy some flowers for your missus. There's a flower shop. Making photos over here. But don't do the mistake and buy on the International Women's Day. Don't do the mistake and buy it on the same day. I did. Here, Last Hope Bar. This is where you get your last drink, yeah?
Yeah.
The Last Hope. Look at this place. It's a brand new coffee shop. I've never seen this place. About Us coffee. That looks pretty stylish here. Look at this. Hi. Just want to look inside. Okay. Nice. What do you sell? Oh, you have breakfast? English breakfast. Look at this. I have an English breakfast, mate. Do they have something for me? Bagel with bacon. Okay. And then coffees. Triple green. It sounds very healthy.
Too healthy.
Rosy smoked salmon. Scrambled eggs. Okay. I think I would eat this. And you would eat this like always. Yeah. Okay, thank you so much. Have a good day. All right. Wish map. Interesting. Lots of new places here. Let's check out what this street also has to offer. This is the thing here in Da Nang. You walk around the streets and one week there's nothing, and then next week completely new stores. Like this place, vegetarian restaurant. Interesting. Interesting. It's a hot pot, a vegetarian hot pot. And here's skin treatment. Huh. I think this is still An Thuong 10, if I'm not wrong. And there should be a gym here on the corner. But it's an outdoor gym. Could be something for you. Oh God, did you hear that? That cock?
Yeah. Space body camera.
It's a gym, outdoor gym. It's packed. It's packed. I'm wondering how much it is. I mean, now it's cool actually. It's not that bad to work out now. You have fresh air. Where are the prices though? Oh. So it's 40K once, $10 a month.
Yeah.
That's good. I understand now why it's so full. $10 a month. But you cannot use the walking machine. I don't know what that means. And this is oh no! I think, I don't know. I hope they did not close because they were so good. It's just, this restaurant is very annoying. It's always empty. I really hope they can survive somehow. Guys, so if you want to have ban ut, this is such a great dish. I filmed it once with Kenny. Try it. It's so good. I actually have to try it. I have to eat it again. It just always looks like it is closed. That pisses me off. They should do something.
No,
because they have such a great food. Maybe it's closed. Oh no, there is a lady sleeping there. Come.
Mm-hmm. It's really nice.
Yeah.
Beautiful.
Yeah, but this place is so good, but it's like, it always looks like it's closed.
Yeah.
And I tried it with Kenny. I have to go back. It's just like, if it's always empty, I just feel a little bit it's sketched out. Because how do they have fresh food if it's always empty? Maybe it's just,
Finding the market.
I don't know. I hope so. Because I really want to go back. I don't want to get sick. It is very delicious food. Very delicious food.
That Greek restaurant's excellent too.
Oh yeah, have you tried it?
Yeah, me and Ollie went there. Ollie had the prawns,
Oh.
and I had the calamari, which is probably the best calamari I've had for
Oh.
ages and ages.
So Irini, Greek restaurant, also a recommendation. Now we're here at the bar street. Oh my god. My god. No, it's an ambulance car from the hospital I was actually in. I was at this hospital I did my surgery.
Oh, right. Okay.
Yeah. I'm still gonna make this video soon, all about my surgery, but it's hard to go back. I really don't want to go back to the hospital. I really do not like hospitals, and making this video, yeah, not good memories, but I'm very happy with the result and they did a very good job. So I have to go there and show them respect and show how good the hospitals are in Da Nang or in Vietnam. So I'm very happy. The blends. It's Tuesday today, so I'm not sure if it's gonna be full today. Have you seen this? This is brand new. This is new. Look,
Yeah,
come
I was
here.
doing this when I was just as I was leaving. I was fixing this up.
So this is brand new. It's a very long bar, and they have some kind of play area over there. I did a video on this, yeah. I was here at the New Year's, after the New Year's event. I went here too, and here's also the Funky Donkey Bar. A nightclub? Yeah, it's a secret nightclub. Yeah. So I don't know what's happening in the German daily. Good morning. There's like a recycling place here. Everyone is bringing their recycling items over there. This is a new place, Cigar Point. Hey, yo, let's check that out. This is a cigar lounge. Ooh. How elegant. Hello. Is it new store? New place? Oh, it looks very nice. So you can sit here, you can have a cigar. There's a humidor here. Ooh. Do you get nice Cuban ones? You have Cuban cigars? Yes, okay. You get some wine, some whiskey, some liquor, free Wi-Fi. Smells good in here. It's nice, right? Yeah. We get Churchill and some other people.
It's George Burns.
I don't know. You can buy some lighters here, ashtrays. It looks very nice. All right, let's go up. This is a nice place. It's a cigar lounge. They even have an outdoor area. But it smells good in there. I like it. So if you're into cigars,
That wasn't there before Christmas.
yeah, it wasn't there. I haven't seen it at all.
This is the horn, and I've never seen it open.
Yeah.
You mentioned one time here, the Palm Leaf place or something in this.
No, it's a vegetarian place,
Oh,
bro.
vegetarian.
Don't worry. No one meat burgers. There is a new shisha place over there as well. It's a great weather today. Not really hot, but nice blue sky. Very pretty. And Mr. India. Huh? This is also a very interesting place, Lang Mandi. Hotel and apartment. I did a review about that too. Sometimes they have good options about apartments. And there's a coffee shop and banh mi place. And this place I saw the other day on Grab. They're also selling some Eastern European food, I would say. And here is the An Thuong tourist town, Da Nang City. No football clubs here, just some random advertisement. All right, so thank you so much for watching. Pretty random walk, but tomorrow is gonna be a way better one. So stay tuned, subscribe, like this video, and see you in the next one.